Veyrocc Review 2025 Legit Platform or Risky? Honest Withdrawal and Safety Guide. Most people get this wrong by assuming all crypto trading platforms are safe. The surprising truth is that Veyrocc offers legitimate trading options, but users must be cautious with withdrawals and account security. Veyrocc provides cryptocurrency trading, staking, and investment options. The interface is user-friendly and supports multiple currencies. You won't believe how convenient it is to trade directly from the dashboard without external wallets. However, withdrawal speed and verification procedures can be slow. Customer service response times vary, which may frustrate new users. Security is standard, including two-factor authentication, but always use strong, unique passwords. The surprising truth is that even a legitimate platform can feel risky if you overlook safety practices. In conclusion, Veyrocc is functional and generally trustworthy, but prioritize account security, understand withdrawal times, and start with small amounts until you are comfortable with the platform's processes.